This is my gun, and I just want you to see what's inside. It's made out of Lego, and it's colorful. And I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it off and see what it has inside. Just take it out for a bit. This might be a little bit painful, so you cannot see it or skip it. In here, they have so much bullets all over to this, and ends right here. So you could add any bullet if you want, like this. You could add it, but it's not even shootable. They cannot even shoot. Yeah, so that's it. But I cannot make a. Wait, I could make a part 2 of how to make it. Maybe in the evening or something. Yeah, so okay. So thank you guys for enjoying. Wait, I forgot. You can also add the bullets right here. Wait, I need 2 hands to do this. Okay, this. You can add it right here. Like this. Don't shut it because it cannot shut. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Wait, I always forget about this. There's also a sniper. Wait. Oh, it broke. Let me just fix it for a minute. Boom, boom, boom. There's also this gun, but it broke already. So wait, I need to add one more bullet because that bullet fell. Here, this bullet. Oh yeah, the bullet's already in. Wait, here. Yeah. Here is the bullet, and I'm gonna add it. Boom. Bam. And if you want to shut it, you can do like this or something and take that out. So if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 10 subscribers. So I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and see you on the next video in the evening. Bye.